Viveka Learning Extra.
Hello everyone, I am Shanta Chatterjee and today I am going to discuss with you an important topic on sociology, that is socialization and its agencies. So in the beginning, let me discuss about what is sociology. Sociology is the science of social life of man and his society. So these are the central objects of all sociological studies. Sociology gives us a synthesis of not only human groups, customs, and institutions, but also but also it deals with what they were, what they are, and what they should have been. According to our eminent sociologist Herbert Spencer, we all know his name. Society exists for its members, not the members exist for the society. Now let me come to the term socialization. So what is socialization? Socialization means coming together and and making adjustments for doing work and discharging responsibilities of the society. This is what has been said by Bogardus in his sociology. The socialization is a process of working together, of developing group responsibility, of being guided by the welfare needs of others. Every individual in the beginning is rebellious, recalcitrant, and selfish. By and by, his social consciousness develops and he starts accepting social responsibilities. In this process of socialization, there are several agencies which uh, which helps us in making the socialization, which helps a man to become socialized. So first comes the family. So family has an extraordinary importance in the process of socialization. Family is the elementary primary group that acts as an agency of socialization. The influence of family develops the personality of the child. The child, after having born in the family, becomes not only becomes its member, but he acquires or learns several things uh, 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 in several things about the norms of the family and also of the society. It is the society that teaches him the basic values. Then after a family comes our playgroup. So as a child is growing bit by bit, he he or she will step out of the family, and then he will come to the playgroup. So in playgroup, the children forms the playgroup. So in playgroup, we see children from different education, from different family, from different standard of living, from different cultural background. They come and accumulate in one place. So it is the best place where socialization can take place. The child, when he goes into the playgroup, he or she then acquires the different cultures of of his friends or the children in the playgroup. Also they have different all the children have different children have different ways of behavior, their life standard. So due to this diversity, on one hand he acquires certain traits, and on the other hand he learns the process of adjustment with other individuals. So playgroup plays an important role in the process of socialization. Then comes our neighborhood or neighbors. Playgroup and neighbors go hand in hand, but the difference is playgroup deals only with the children, but neighborhood or neighbors are they are comprised of adults. So neighbors also do shape our in the process of socialization. So from the neighbors, the child learns about social values and learns about the art of adjusting with the society. Neighborhood plays an important role in the process of socialization. Then comes the educational institutions. So after playgroup, as the child will grow up, he or she will come and join high school. So in these institutions, the mental trace of children develops. These agencies also help the child from from to march from darkness to light, from ignorance to knowledge. In this journey, teachers do play a very important role, in shaping the future and making the child socialized. Also, here also the child is coming, and he or she easily encounters different children from different cultural and from different backgrounds, and also is confronting different ways of behavior of different children. So in this so here also the child is learning to adjust with others. So in schools and colleges, with the help of friends and teachers, the child is getting socialized. So school, after education institution, another agency we can rank is our friends. So friends play a very important and vital part in the process of socialization. It is our friends with whom we can open up, with whom we can share our feelings, and vice versa. So when we are opening up with our friends, or when we are sharing our thoughts and feeling process, then this is a sign of getting socialized. So what is socialization? Socialization means I am not alone. Uh, continue my I can continue my life, or I can make friends and adjust with others. So making friends is a very good sign of socialization. So after friends comes the social institutions like religious, political, and cultural institutions do develop the personality or the development of the child. So these can be called as social institutions. So due to the influence of these institutions, he acquires certain social norms and ideals. So these institutions therefore play a vital part in the process of socialization. So these are the main agencies of socialization, we can say. So I hope I'm concluding it now. I hope you have understood. Though it is a very vast topic, I have just mentioned the points. So all this is for today. So thank you.